Good morning and welcome to the second part of my Thanksgiving leftovers, shelter food and beer. Shelter food and coffee. Well, the weather's really rainy and cold outside. I'm not in the mood to go anywhere. I am in the mood, however, for some little Thanksgiving leftovers. And I'm going to turn my Thanksgiving leftovers into a delicious breakfast. Start out by melting some butter in my pan. This isn't so much about cooking as it is, like I said, construction. So start out with a couple eggs. And mix them up. For my breakfast burrito, I need a flour tortilla, some more of those black olives, turkey, Swiss cheese, mashed potato and yams, 2 eggs for the scrambling, cranberry. I'm going to use some leftover country gravy from our dinner, some red sauce, and yeah, I'll put a little salt on it. I'm going to scramble the eggs with the turkey right in it. So I add a little bit of salt. And a quick scramble of the eggs. And that's the cooking portion of this meal. I'm going to take a mixture of this sweet potato and mashed potato and form a little layer on the bottom. Put my turkey scramble on top and put a little green salsa in there. Nice little wrap. My Swiss cheese on the top. Now this only needs a quick 45-second trip through the microwave. Here's my piping hot burrito, and I've used my friend Mike, the microwave, to warm up my gravy. I will just pour the gravy over the top. Country gravy made with Beyond sausage. Top that with some olives and a little bit of cranberry on the side for the real Thanksgiving. That's pretty simple, basic Thanksgiving egg burrito. I'm going to hit this with a little bit of my favorite hot sauce and chug down a cold beer. Thanks for watching Shelter, Food, and Beer. Just like Grandma made. This is number 2 of my Thanksgiving creations. What do you do with your leftovers? I'm curious. And what should I do next? I think we'll make some soup. This burrito is crazy good. You better be sure to write down this recipe. Oh man. Maybe I'll just have a bunch more of these.